to my channel, and welcome if you're new. If this is your first time checking out House and Home, I am so glad that you did. My husband Chad and I own an online interior decor shop called House and Home, and over on YouTube we love to share all things home, from DIYs to decor hauls, decorating ideas, and so much more. Now today we are going to be doing a really fun renovation reveal, and I'm so excited. So a few months ago, back in October, we purchased this home, and we have been working slowly but surely to make it our dream home. And we did some big things in the beginning, like refinishing hardwood floors, repainting the whole house, changing out cabinetry, light fixtures, you name it, we did it. But now we're able to put some focus on some of the rooms specifically, creating some accent walls, some character, and just giving them life. So we have done that today. We are in the home office. I work almost exclusively out of our home. So I am doing YouTube video filming, editing, house and home buying, adding products to our website, doing back end things like that on Shopify, you name it. So there's a lot of work being done at home. I am so excited to finally have a space in our home that is just for me. I love how this room turned out, and I can't wait to share it today. So we're gonna see some before and after footage of this space. But before we do, I just wanted to share my thought process as I was designing our home office. So I wanted to keep things nice and calm in here. Over the last several months, this space has become a catch-all room, and basically anything and everything has been in here. And it felt so good to clean it out and just start with a blank slate. That is how I love to start my projects. So we did that first, and then I picked out some furniture. And I'm gonna be sharing some furniture today from Castlery. We've partnered with them, they've sponsored this video. Thank you, Castlery. They sell amazing furniture that is of great quality, and it's just absolutely stunning. I really wanted this space to be calming when I walk through the doors, even when I peek through, because there are French doors here, and not just a huge mess. So what we have done is added some wood, some white, some cream, some light green, lots of dishes and things that just make me feel calm and a sense of peace. I want to walk into here and feel inspired instead of overwhelmed. So that's kind of what we've done. We put some really amazing pieces together. Some of these pieces were thrifted, some of them were from Facebook Marketplace, of course from Castlery, from Target, from IKEA. So I am so excited to share this reveal. Let's start out by taking a look back. I think it's always so fun to see where a space started and then how it got to where it is today. So we are gonna do just that. Here is some before footage before we even moved into our home, so you can see that the original hardwoods are there and stained. You can also see the light blue or baby blue coloring of the walls and these beautiful French doors. I love the light that filters through these doors. So really we're starting with a nice blank slate. Now, once we did move in, we of course had the floors refinished and did some painting as well. So it does look a little bit different than that, what you just saw. But we are ready to add some character in here, and we decided to do a board and batten accent wall. So Chad's just removing the trim here, and then he is going to go ahead and do the board and batten. Now, we have a couple of videos featuring board and batten. Actually, our last home office had it as well. It's a little bit different than this one. And then we recently did our breakfast nook too. And that one's a little different as well. So there's so many different ways that you can do board and batten. And I just feel like it's so timeless and love being able to add that to this space. So that is the big accent wall project that we are doing in here. And then we are gonna just move on to doing some decorating. the reveal of our home office. At the beginning of this video, I shared that my goals in here were to create a serene and inviting space that helped to spark inspiration, and I really feel that it does just that. Our sideboard and beautiful table are from Castlery. Castlery is a modern furniture company that creates a story for every room in your home. They craft furniture that is timeless, using the highest quality raw materials to create pieces that are built for longevity and multi-purpose use. As it's a direct-to-consumer brand without middlemen, they are able to extend honest pricing and affordability to their customers. Castlery believes that there is value in taking the time to curate your home with intention, and they want to help you create spaces that make you feel good, building intimate connections between you and your space and the people you bring into it. The brand believes in creating homes that can do everything, with dining tables that operate as headquarters, beds that moonlight as pirate ships, and couches that double as front row seats. A few other really great things about Castlery is they offer free fabric swatches, flat rate shipping, and they have a 14-day return policy and a warranty coverage. The Miles extendable dining table was the perfect choice for our office desk. I love that we can have it shrunk down to its regular size for everyday working, and then we can extend it if we are having a meeting in here or just having some family time and we want to sit around the table. We picked up these chairs off of Facebook Marketplace. We've got one here at the table and then one also in the corner. Oftentimes Chad and I will gather in here just to talk all things business and house and home, but also my kiddos are usually in tow, and so it was great to find two of these matching chairs and be able to use them in this space. Now, if budget was not in the picture, and I could purchase anything I wanted, there is a beautiful chair that I found online that's a big wingback upholstered chair. It's kind of a French country style, and I thought that may be what we end up putting in here someday, but for now I love these and they work great for the space. So a few other elements that we added in here just to make everything comfy, cozy, and inviting is a table runner on the table. I love adding textures and just warming things up by doing that. I added some design books on the table as well. These are often being opened in our home, whether by me or my kiddos. I love this one so much. I'm gonna have it linked down in my video description. I bought it off of Amazon, and it is all about decorating your home with antiques. And so I find tons of inspiration in this, and I just love having it sitting open on my desk. And then I have a couple other favorite home books that I'll link as well that I have sitting on the desk too. Over here in this cute chair, I've got a new pillow that just hit our site, so you can check that out at houseandhome.com. And then I am a huge sucker for adding dresses and really just cozy pieces of clothing to the walls. And it's just a great affordable way to add some color to your wall and just add some decor. And then we've got these lamps from Target. They're just so simple, and I loved that so much about them. I wanted to put one on either side of our Miles sideboard, and I think it just finished it off perfectly. I wanted to pop in here and share this little tip. If you happen to have curtains that are a little bit longer than you'd like that are gathering on the floor, you can just tie them up, and I think it looks really elegant and sweet.
I love decorating any room of our home with white dishes, and these two pictures that you see here are new from our shop, and this one in particular has so much character. I knew it had to have a spot on my shelves. Speaking of white pictures, the Victoria picture is hanging up on our peg hooks. This one has so much texture to it and is absolutely stunning.
Okay friends, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this transformation. And don't forget to check out our e-design services. I will have them linked down in my video description below. And also check out Castlery. I absolutely love the furniture that we have in our home from them. We also have a sofa that is in our master bedroom. I have a video on that I'll link down below, so you can check that one out as well. But this is just good, sturdy, amazing quality furniture that's gonna last a lifetime. Alrighty friends, I will see you all in the next one, and I hope you have an amazing day.